Hi, I'm Somu Padmanabhan from Voodoo's Home Decor, and I'm going to show you how you can make a simple DIY lampshade. Lamps and lighting are an integral part of your interior, and to be able to decorate your space with your own creation is motivation enough for you to try this project. A pair of new lampshade frame rings. If you have an old lampshade at home, you can even rip off the fabric and use the frames from that lampshade. We are leaving a link in the description to our website from where you can buy lampshade frames of different sizes. We are going to use cable ties for this project. Alternatively, you can also use twines, threads, and jute, or pretty much anything that you can use to tie two things together. Garden mesh. This is available in any local hardware store and should cost you anywhere between 15 to 25 rupees per square feet. Start cutting the mesh using the cutting plier. Decide what height you want your lampshade to be. In my case, I decided to have it at about 8 to 9 inches. The length of the mesh that you need to cut is decided by the radius of the circular ring. In my case, it's a 6-inch radius ring. So I need to cut to a length of about 2 into pi into r, 2 into 3.14 into 6, which is approximately 40 inches. And I decide to cut an inch or two more for the overlap, which I can trim towards the end. Once you've cut the mesh to the required dimension, start tying the mesh to the circular ring using the cable ties. Space the cable ties evenly around the circular ring. Once you're done with the top ring, move to the bottom ring. As you keep securing the mesh around the circular ring, the starting point will meet the end point of the mesh around the circular ring. Leave about half an inch for overlap and trim the excess length of mesh. Join the two ends of the mesh at the overlap point using a cable tie. Cut all the protruding cable tags with the cutting plier. Once the protruding cable tags are cut, your lampshade is ready. You can hang it on the ceiling or use it on a table or floor lamp that you may already have. Either way, your lampshade is only half finished, and I would recommend that you give it a spray paint of black, preferably matte, to give it that nice, clean and complete look. When used at the right spot using the right kind of bulb, for example, the filament LED bulb, this DIY lampshade is bound to give your space a nice industrial feel. Thank you for watching this video, and please do try this DIY at home, and feel free to leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this DIY project.